His time up above with God, he was finally able to have God show him how to put the pistol back together. And so now that the Mark IV has ironed out all the kinks in the design, the gun can remain at the forefront as an incredibly popular gun for people to learn how to shoot on, both young and old, beginner and seasoned pros alike. The humble startup that consisted of just a few guys in a red barn now has more than 1,800 employees. They're still headquartered in Connecticut, but now they've got 5 factories throughout the country. Alexander Sturm's $50,000 investment really paid off. The company today is worth $940 million. And given their success, I think it's safe to say that Mr. Sturm and Mr. Ruger would have big smiles on their faces if they could see where their company is at today.
And a very special thanks to Logan Medish. Logan is a firearms historian and museum professional who runs High Caliber History, LLC. And my goodness, what a story. 1,800 employees off a $50,000 loan. 2 guys just, never working a minute in their lives, they probably felt. And so many people who work for themselves, that's why they do it. Because they have something special they want to do. And my goodness, anyone who owns weapons, who loves firearms, and responsible firearm ownership is a big deal. And he testified and went public on magazine capacity. My goodness, it took a lot of courage to do, and he did it. Ruger, the great American gun manufacturer, their story here on Our American Stories. Get a good night's sleep with Casper. Their popular Casper Original Hybrid mattress is engineered for cool, comfortable sleep. Or try their Wave Hybrid mattress, which provides more support than foam alone. For cooler sleep, upgrade to the Wave Hybrid Snow Mattress with snow technology. Need to try it to believe it? Casper offers free delivery and a risk-free 100-night trial. Explore Casper products at Casper.com and use code STORIES100 for $100 off select mattresses. Exclusion supply. See Casper.com for more details.
Is your job recession-proof? Now might be the perfect time to switch careers and become an IT professional with My Computer Career. IT is listed as one of the top recession-proof professions. You can have your dream job in just months, not years. No experience needed. Take classes online or on campus. And financial aid is available to those who qualify, including the GI Bill. Go to mycomputercareer.edu and take the free career evaluation. It's not rocket science. It's mycomputercareer.edu. Finding great candidates to hire can be like, trying to find a needle in a haystack. Sure, you can post your job to some job board, but then all you can do is hope the right person comes along, which is why you should try ZipRecruiter for free at ZipRecruiter.com/free. ZipRecruiter doesn't depend on candidates finding you. Its powerful technology identifies people with the right experience and actively invites them to apply to your job. You get qualified candidates fast. So while other companies might deliver a lot of hay, ZipRecruiter finds you what you're looking for. The needle in the haystack.
4 out of 5 employers who post a job in ZipRecruiter get a quality candidate through the site within the first day. ZipRecruiter, the smartest way to hire. And right now, you can try ZipRecruiter for free. That's right, free. Just go to this exclusive web address, ZipRecruiter.com/free. That's ZipRecruiter.com/free. ZipRecruiter.com/free.
Jamie's log. Progressive. The Harrington's backyard. Day 4. 2:18 a.m. I've been camping outside the Harrington house for 4 days now, proving that Progressive has 24/7 protection. Mr. Harrington says I don't need to do this, since Progressive protects 24/7 is a pretty easy concept to grasp, but I'm gonna stay and prove my point. Besides, there's a big tree branch over the roof, and I think it's planning something.
Progressive doesn't just offer a great price when you bundle home and auto. We offer round-the-clock protection, just not literally from Jamie. Coverage from Progressive Casualty Insurance Company, affiliates, and third-party insurers, and subject to policy terms. Bundle discount not available in all states or situations.
Are you single and ready to mingle? That's because when you're single, you're free. Free to go wherever you want, whenever you want, and do whatever you want. All you need are places to go, things to do, and single people like yourself to do them with. And Events and Adventures takes care of all of that. Events and Adventures is a singles club that offers up to 30 fun activities every single month. We celebrate being free, being alive, and not swiping your life away on a dating app. Get started today at eventsandadventures.com and live a life you love.
COVID-19 moves fast, and now you can too. If you feel symptoms, even if they're mild, you should test fast. Test positive and at high risk for severe COVID-19, then act fast. authorized oral treatments that can be taken at home and must be taken within 5 days from when symptoms begin. COVID-19 moves fast, and now you can too by asking your healthcare provider if an oral treatment is right for you. Learn about a treatment option at treatcv19.com. This message is sponsored by Pfizer.
This is a Fox News alert. The Republican House leader says the GOP will control. I'm Jack Callahan, Fox News. The man who would be Speaker, California Congressman Kevin McCarthy.
It is clear that we are going to take the House back.
But that Republican majority, if it comes to pass, will likely be smaller than earlier projections, possibly in single digits. And Republican hopes to take control of the Senate may be dashed. Right now, each party is claiming 48 Senate seats, with 4 seats still in play. Republicans would have to win 3 of them. The Senate is currently split 50-50, but the Democrats have the tiebreaker in the vice president. Republicans have lost a Senate seat from Pennsylvania, with Democrat John Fetterman's win there.
I never expected that we were going to turn these red counties blue, but we did what we needed to do.
Fetterman beating Republican Dr. Mehmet Oz by less than 2.5%. The Georgia Senate race is still a virtual dead heat, with incumbent Democrat Rafael leading Republican Herschel Walker by less than 1%, with nearly 97% of the votes counted. No calls yet in the races in Arizona, Nevada, or in Wisconsin, where incumbent Republican Ron Johnson leads by 1.5 with about 93% of the votes in. Republican governors Abbott, DeSantis, and Kemp have been reelected by substantial margins in Texas, Florida, and Georgia. But New York's Governor Kathy Hochul has survived a challenge from Republican Lee Zeldin. And Michigan's Governor Gretchen Whitmer has also been reelected.
We have come a long way, Michigan. We are thrilled at the unexpected high turnout. We are thrilled that the 3 ballot initiatives got passed.
Whitmer beating Republican Tudor Dixon. Some of the issues decided Tuesday: voters in Nebraska approving a requirement for photo ID for future elections, Ohio voters approving an amendment to the state constitution preventing cities from allowing anyone but citizens to vote. Americans listening to Fox News.
It all started with the brutal murder of a young married couple. Now, more than 40 years after the couple was found, investigators and forensic genealogists are cracking the case wide open to uncover a stunning second mystery.
Where's the baby? I said, well, wait, he had a baby?
We cross the country speaking with victims' families and those close to the case as we ask, what about Holly?
I just want to know what happened.
Available on FoxNewsPodcasts.com and wherever you listen to your favorite podcasts.
From the Fox News Podcasts Network, listen to the all-new Brett Baier podcast featuring Common Ground, talking to lawmakers weekly from opposite sides of the political spectrum about the issues of the day and how Americans can find common ground in a politicized world.
That's just not happening on Capitol Hill. It takes leadership, right?
Yeah, it absolutely does.
Along with all your Brett Baier favorites like the campaign, the candidates, the all-star panel, and much more. Available now at FoxNewsPodcasts.com or wherever you get your podcasts.
At Progressive, you can get 24/7 protection, even if you break the space-time continuum.
Wait, every time you wake up is the same day? That's terrible.
Don't worry, I call Progressive. Their 24/7 protection still works even if my day does last forever.
Yeah, but don't you want it to end?
Are you kidding? I win the lottery whenever I want and never regret anything. It's the best.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Progressive offers more than a great price when you bundle home and auto. We offer round-the-clock protection, which literally means anytime. Coverage from Progressive Casualty Insurance Company affiliates and third-party insurers and subject to policy terms. Bundle discount not available in all states or situations.
Dancing crew, trip for 2, nailed the final interview. Game with Doug, brand new mug. Come here, kid, give me a hug. The more you want to do, the more we want to do. Boosters designed for COVID-19 variants are now available. If you've had your primary series, schedule an updated COVID-19 booster appointment as soon as you're eligible. Sponsored by Pfizer and BioNTech.
Membership fees apply after free trial. Cancel anytime. Can I be real for a second? That goal you have to exercise and eat better, you really can do it. But nobody is going to do it for you. And nobody has to, because you can do it if you have the right tools and a community that cares about helping you get results. And that's us, Beachbody. It's as convenient as your TV or laptop, but you need to decide that you're worth it. Let us help you succeed. Here's how. Go to beachbody.com to claim your free membership and start feeling great.
Ready for some good news? The White House has announced a major student loan debt relief plan. This is great news if you have a federal student loan. We also urge anyone with a student loan to get ready. The COVID payment pause for students